5.21 million infected,
2.05 million recoveries,
338,000 deaths.
COVID-19.
What is COVID-19?
How to protect yourself.
And keep everyone around you safe too. The coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus.
This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019.
World Health Organization has characterized COVID-19 as a pandemic due to the exponential increase of the number of cases in more than 100 countries.
The disease has hit certain countries including Italy, Spain, the UK, and the US with particular cruelty. The COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2.
COVID-19 is known to target a person's respiratory system. Signs and symptoms:
Cough,
shortness of breath,
fever,
chills,
muscle pain,
sore throat,
diarrhea,
vomiting. Serious symptoms include
trouble breathing,
persistent pain or pressure in the chest,
bluish lips or face,
inability to wake or stay awake. Points to remember: 1. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for the symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days.
2. Infected patients may also be asymptomatic.
3. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility.
People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. COVID-19 prevention.
Protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Follow advice provided by your local public health agency.
To prevent the spread of COVID-19,
Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub.
maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing.
Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth.
Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Follow the directions of your local health authority. Stay home if you feel unwell. Avoiding unneeded visits to medical facilities allow healthcare systems to operate more effectively, therefore protecting you and others. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance.